This is Mina Barsoom with cdocs.com, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I'd like to talk about taking care of your Primemill and some very specific maintenance procedures that we do on a daily basis. So one of the nice options that will be soon available in the US market is a cleaning device that Dentsply Sirona has produced for the Primemill. It's really nice because the way it works, it'll plug into your existing vacuum unit and it creates a little T-valve. So you can see in this video here, we're going to take that T-valve and essentially I have a little vacuum hose that I can use with some attachments on it, and I'll go into my vacuum unit, and instead of setting it to auto, I'm going to turn it on to the on setting, so the manual on setting. And then you can see that T-valve will essentially switch it from this vacuum hose to the mill itself. And now I can just open up my Primemill and I can go in and vacuum away any of these small particulates that can come from milling zirconia. Now you can use this on any of the mills that you have. So our dry mill, our 4-motor dry mill also can be used for this type of cleaning. The second thing we do at the end of the day is we run a cleaning program. Now this can be run directly from your Primemill, and you have a 2-minute or a 15-minute cleaning cycle, and it will run the motors and wash that inside of the chamber for 2 or 15 minutes. And we found that if we do this on a nightly basis, our Primemill ends up looking pristine. So you can see in this picture here, we've been using our Primemill for about 8 months now, and we've done probably hundreds, maybe 1,000 restorations in that time, mostly zirconia, and look how clean and pristine it looks. Now, we haven't had that same kind of luxury with our 4-motor because we haven't been able to do that type of cleaning over the years, so we've built up some of that zirconia dust on the surface. But now having the Primemill, I can maintain it and keep it looking like it's brand new. So hopefully this was helpful. Just run these cleaning processes every night and you'll have a brand new looking Primemill every single day. Look forward to seeing you again soon in future tips of the day. Take care.